So before I move on to this demo, I would like, first of all, to again emphasize on this. Okay, we are now focusing on our 3D laser scanning, where we said we have to capture the data of the building or property using a laser scanner, 3D laser scanner. And we've seen so many of them. Trimble TX8 is one of them, Faro is one of them, Leica is one of them. And we are saying that once you capture that data, once you scan the building, okay, you can remove the data from it, which is a point cloud data, and then take it into a software. Okay, that software could be Trimble Reworks, okay, and then you process it before taking on to Revit. But in this case, we want to use data from Autodesk Recap, partly because I don't have any point cloud data anywhere. And those that I've seen on the internet, I would rather want to share that with you to use instead of taking what is on the internet or in YouTube and using, because maybe violating some copyrights or copyrights terms there. So I would rather use the point cloud data that is in Recap. Okay. So at the end of this demo, you should be able to import a point cloud data from Autodesk Recap into Revit, explore the point cloud model, do some light adjustments like setting levels, and then model walls and other elements. Most importantly, I would advise you to watch the extended detailed video that I've actually copied from YouTube, that I've provided a link from YouTube. That video is not produced by myself. It's a very, very great video that I would like everyone to watch. Of course, what I'm showing you in this demo is just a scratch on the surface. It's not detailed. Okay, so let's now go to it. This is, let me close this and then start it again. Autodesk Recap, this is it here. If you install a Recap for students, if you have a student account, all Autodesk products are, the Autodesk can give you a license for up to a year. If you're a student, you can download most Autodesk products. So Autodesk Recap is one of them. I've not paid for it. I've just used my staff account to get the license for this. So this is Autodesk Recap, and this is a sample project that comes with it. Okay, so this is a sample project, and that sample project is a point cloud data. Look at this. So I'm just going to browse this and see the kind of building, okay, the kind of model. To be honest, I don't know much about this building. I don't know whether it's an educational, a factory, or a warehouse. You can see the entrance. The west, it looks like a lab, to be honest. Okay, so that's it there. Now, what I've done is I've actually saved this in RCP format from here. So once I've done that, I now go to Revit, okay? And then I create a new project. That is my Revit, which all of us should know. I'm going to create a new project. Okay. Now this is our Revit interface. I'm now going to go into Insert. And once I go into Insert, you can insert all other files. So I'm going to choose Point Cloud. Now when I go Point Cloud, this is the Autodesk Recap sample project, okay, that downloaded. So I'm just going to click and I leave it auto center to center. That is a model then, okay? And again, I can go to 3D to view it. I can zoom to see. So we can see that. So what I'm going to do now, I really need to understand this building. I've not been able to understand this building, to be honest. I don't know what they have on top of the building. Are there solar panels or what? I have no idea. So what I'm going to do now is see what is inside to see if there are levels. So I may have to go to section box. Yeah. And then I have that. If I click that, then I go like this. Yeah. So there is no other floor. So it looks more like a workshop, something like that. Yeah. And this is a door. Yeah. And this, you have wall that goes right up to this point. Yeah. So let me take it back again up by using this. Yeah. I can also do like this to see what is. Yeah. There's no other level. Okay, so I'm sure there's no other level now. Okay. So once I have that, I should take note that there's something like a window here and a door here. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is to check the levels, is to set the levels. Remember, my points here, import this, which I've done. Okay. Through linking though, explore the point cloud I've done. I'm going to do some light adjustments. So I'm going to go back to this and then go to my east elevation. Okay. I can't find my, okay, that's my model then. Now, if I have it here, maybe I'll have to take this one up so that it aligns with that. It's not going to be accurate, so I'm going to pull this that way. Today my mouse has not been behaving well, so if it does not, please accept my apologies. Yeah, so that is our level 1. You can see that there's a gap here, and I'm going to pull it down so that it goes a bit. Yeah, so I have something there like that. This one had this lining here, maybe our level is here because it seems as if, yeah, that is the top of the walls, and those may be solar panels, something like that. I'm going to leave it such. Then I make sure I do the same. Then I go to the south elevation. Then I go to the west. Now, so that's that. I've sorted those ones. Now, if I go back to this, you see it's behaving a type. When I hover around, it changes. I don't want that. If I click on this, and then I'm on modify point clouds, I can pin that. Okay, so that is not behaving like that, you see. So I can actually pin it there. Yep. So I have this now. I want to be able to see these walls and retrace over it. Okay, so I'll have to go to view range. Let me see. So take note of what is happening here. If I put 1,200 here, or 1,300, you can see that the lines of the walls are becoming a bit clearer. Yeah, I think 1,400 is okay. Let me see. 1,600. No, that's too much. Let me change it to 1,450. Yeah, I think I'm going to go for 1,450. Now, but then let's go back to our recap model to really see. Yeah, okay. So you can see these are straight walls, straight walls, straight walls. So, and there's a door here. So I'm just going to leave it as such and then use this as my wall. Again, I'm on level 0. Yeah, so I'm going to go to my wall. I'm going to click the wall here. Okay, click there, speaking. Click there. Like this. Turn like this. And then I'm going to go like this. Okay, since it's straight wall. Like that. And then like that. Come out of there. Then I may go to architecture, pick my door, double door. I'm just going to use that one and put here. I may want to flip it so that it opens outward. Remember, there was a window here. Okay, so I'm just going to put a single window here. Okay. Now, once I have that, I can now go to my 3D view. Oops, my walls are actually internal, so there's a way and easy of flipping it, flipping the wall. So I'm just going to click like this and then get this arrow. Flip. So yep. So that's what we've got. Okay. So let me go back now to my, let me click on these walls and make sure that the top constraint is on level 1. Yep. Yep. Okay, I have this. So what I'm going to do now is to put my roof top of this. And of course, as I said, I don't really know what this building is all about. I'm just going to put a roof, assuming that these are solar panels or something else. So let me go back and then I put my roof. It's going to be a flat roof. So I'm going to do that. Yes. Okay, let me just go over to level 1 and see what is there. So even if I stay here and say yes, and I go architecture, I get my roof by footprint, yes. I'm going to give another of say 100. It really depends on the convention that you're using. Okay, the standard. So if I say this, all right, there's an issue. So to sort that one out, I need to do a kind of extension. Yeah, I will need to use a model line like this. And then just like in AutoCAD, we can extend that. Okay. And then here we can use this and that. Oops. We're supposed to let me repeat it. There's an error now. When you take a footprint, yes, put 100 there, then go this way, this way, this way, this way, and then that. I'm going to say touch, and then I can now go to my 3D model. And then I see what is there. I can't find my roof. So maybe it's embedded. So what I need to do now is to remove the point cloud. To do that, I go to manage, and then manage links, point cloud, remove. Okay. I'm also going to remove this section box by going to, yeah. So that's the rule that is there. Now, but then I don't want this. I'm rather going to remove that. I just want to do it as it is. So once I do that and I click on these lines, I can say remove slope. Yeah. So that's a flat roof now. So that is basically, so we could add other components just as we would have done in a typical Revit modeling. Okay. So that is how we bring our point cloud from Autodesk Revit or Autodesk Recap into Revit, and then use a kind of tracing to be able to generate a model like this. And based on this, now we can do different things. We can do quantity takeoffs. We can export it. We can even evaluate the embodied energy of this model. We can take it to other software systems. So basically, I won't say I have to go into details about this, just to give you a flavor rather than just leaving everything at a very theoretical level. Now, what I would advise you is to watch this video. This is a must watch. It's going to blow your mind into the world of 3D laser scanning. Okay. Then also, there are some resources here. It's been difficult getting point cloud data from the internet. So, but then I've given some links here that can really allow you to be able to get point cloud data to be able to use. If you don't have a laser scanner, I also advise you to play with the mobile phones to see the kind of mobile app scanners that we have. Then we have some of these resources, some of them I'm going to share with you, and some of them you can access them directly. This one is written by myself and some of my colleagues, and this one as well, my previous students. I'm going to attach this and the learning resources that will be shared with you. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions with this presentation, please, by all means, get in touch. Thank you very much. Bye for now.